Wait, can you answer this by the end of the video? What does Emma order to drink on her first date? Listen carefully, you might miss it. Hi there. Welcome back to Practical English Practice, your place to learn real-life English the easy way. In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple conversation between two people on their first date at a cafe. This is perfect for beginners because we use slow, clear, and natural English, just like real life. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Don't forget, write your answer in the comments. Let's begin.
I'm a little nervous. This is my first date with Emma. She seems really nice. Oh, there she is. Hi, Emma.
Oh, hi, Jake. I just arrived too.
You look really nice today.
Thank you. You look nice too. I like your shirt.
Oh, thanks. I wasn't sure what to wear. Is this cafe okay? Have you been here before?
No, I haven't, but it looks really nice from the outside. Shall we go in?
Yes, let's go. After you.
Thank you.
Wow, this place is really nice inside. It's very cozy.
I know. I love the decoration, and it smells like fresh coffee.
Yes, it smells wonderful. Where would you like to sit? There's a table by the window.
Oh, perfect. I love sitting by the window. We can watch people walking by.
Great idea. Let me pull out your chair.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome. So, are you hungry, or would you like to start with drinks?
I'm a little hungry. Maybe we can order drinks first and then look at the food menu?
That sounds good. Let me get a menu. Oh, here's one on the table.
Perfect. Let's see what they have.
What kind of drinks do you like, Emma? Do you like coffee?
I do like coffee, but not too strong. I prefer something sweet. What about you?
I usually drink black coffee, but today I think I want something different. Maybe an iced drink.
Oh, that sounds nice. It's a little warm today. An iced drink would be perfect.
Yes, exactly. What are you thinking about ordering?
Let me see. They have iced lattes, iced tea, smoothies. Oh, they have a caramel iced latte. That sounds delicious.
That does sound good. I think I'll get an iced cappuccino.
Nice choice. Should we order some food too? I'm getting hungry.
Yes, definitely. What do you like to eat? Do you like sweet things or savory things?
I like both, but for afternoon, I prefer something sweet. Maybe a piece of cake or a pastry?
Me too. Oh, look at this menu. They have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and apple pie. Should we order one to share, or would you like your own piece?
Oh, the cheesecake looks amazing in the picture. I love cheesecake. Maybe we can share one and we can try something else if we're still hungry.
That's a great idea. I like the way you think. Excuse me, could we order, please?
Of course. What can I get for you?
Can we have one caramel iced latte and one iced cappuccino, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium for me, please.
Medium for me too, please.
Great. And anything to eat?
Yes. Can we have one slice of cheesecake with 2 forks, please? Thank you so much.
So, Jake, tell me about yourself. What do you do for work?
I work at a marketing company. I help businesses with their social media. It's interesting work. What about you?
Oh, that sounds really interesting. I work as a teacher. I teach English to children.
Wow, that's wonderful. Do you enjoy it?
I do. I love working with kids. They're so funny and creative, but it can be tiring sometimes.
I can imagine. Teaching must be very rewarding, though.
Yes, it is. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read, watch movies, and I recently started learning to cook. What about you? What are your hobbies?
Oh, you cook? That's impressive. I love cooking too. I also enjoy hiking and photography.
Really? That's so cool. What kind of photography do you like?
I like nature photography. I love taking pictures of flowers and sunsets. It's very relaxing.
That sounds beautiful. Maybe you can show me some of your photos sometime.
I'd love to. Do you like hiking too?
I've never tried it, but I'd like to. Maybe you can take me hiking someday.
That would be fun. There's a really nice trail near the lake. It's perfect for beginners.
That sounds perfect. Oh, look, here comes our order. This looks delicious. Here, you try the cheesecake first.
Okay, thank you. This is so good. It's very creamy. You have to try it.
Let me try. You're right. This is amazing. And how's your latte?
It's perfect. Not too sweet, not too strong. Just right. How's your cappuccino?
It's really good. Very smooth and refreshing. I made a good choice.
I'm glad we came here. This place is really nice.
Me too. I'm having a really good time, Emma.
I am too, Jake. This is a very nice first date.
I'm happy to hear that. So, would you like to do this again sometime?
I'd love to. Maybe next time we can try that hiking trail I mentioned.
That sounds perfect. How about next Saturday, if the weather is good?
Next Saturday works for me. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. And maybe after hiking we can get dinner?
That sounds wonderful. I know a good restaurant near the trail.
Perfect. It's a plan then.
It's a plan.